I think there's still people that's kind of struggling to fit together how does an AI agent work in terms of the tools, the guardrails, the logging, and the context, managing the context. So I wrote this article on Medium, and it's based on the OpenAI customer service AI agent. So what I did in this article, I started off with a very basic layout of the routing agent, the service agents, where it goes to the API, the guardrails, and then I walk you through the actual user interface that you run locally on your machine. So that you can see the available agents, guardrails, conversational context. On the right here, you can see the conversational UI. I walk you through the what they call runner output, really the logs, the observability, some of the key features, and then I go step by step. I show you how to get this up and running on your machine. And at the end, I reference to the repo. So this is one of those weekend projects or side projects you can do that's really insightful, and it will give you some, very good, solid knowledge and understanding on AI agents.